Hi everyone, it's Nicole, and I'm here to share with you the new digital files that are new in the shop this week. And it's these adorable, we're calling them Santa gnomes. And they come in our variety packs, if you will, in our assorted packs. And each file, you get two different files, if you will. So for each purchase, so for apples and oranges, you get two different purchases or two different files, and it's the skin tone of the Santa that is different. But I have to say, some of you are super fast. I didn't know he had put them on the site, and he had done this, which when he had done it with the mint for my patrons, I really liked the mint. But then when I printed everything, I found they were very much tony, tone on tone too much. So then I was like, hey, can you change the color of the bag, and can you make, his band and stuff like on his coat and his hat, a little whiter, and then his shoes like a gray brown. So that's what we did. So this is the new files. So if you purchase before that, I noticed that they were on, you can go back and re-download the files, and it should be the new files. And if not, shoot me an email. I'll find your order and I'll send you the files of the new ones. No problem. But let's go through them. So we have the apples and oranges. And on one sheet, we have the 2 inches, the 1 3/4, and the 1.5. So we have 3 sizes on one. So apple and oranges, Cozy Cafe. Love them. Love, love, love them. And again, right now we're having our Boxing Week sale. So if you type in box 60, you get 60% off a single, like the single files, the classes and the crops. And then if you type in box 20, you get an extra 20% off our bundles, which the bundles are already discounted. So it makes them between 60 and 70% off. So this is Pastel Paradise. Now, I don't know if you noticed, but for pastel, he did make the bag a little lighter, not as dark, because we found that with the pastels, it was just a little too dark compared to the pastels. So we did fix that, and I really like the way it looks. And then we have Radiant Rainbow. Love these. They're so cute. And then we have Seasoned Spices. Love all the colors. And then we have Summer Carnival. And then I'll show you our gold members last week for Patreon. We gave them the mint, this one here with the tone on tone, which, when you look at this one, his bag is quite a bit, darker than the rest, but I really like the mint tone on tone. And then this week, or on January 1st, it'll be January 1st for the new year, this is going to be a free file for everyone, for all my patrons, with, the darker Santa bag and the shoes, and of course, the 2 different skin tones. So that's it. That is the new digital file this week. And our Boxing Day or Boxing Week sale goes on until January 3rd. And that's it. I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.